Cultivating strawberries at home. Ever thought about it? Let's dive into how to do it. First, get a hanging basket with drainage holes and line it with moss or a fiber liner. Then fill it halfway with potting soil. Now select your strawberries. Ever-bearing varieties are an excellent choice, offering you sweet red fruits throughout the year. Plant them in the basket, leaving space between each one for growth. Cover the roots with more soil, but don't bury the crowns. Water them thoroughly, ensuring it drains well. Next, hang your basket in a sunny spot, ideally receiving 6 hours of sunlight daily. Regular watering is crucial, but don't overdo it. Remember, regular feeding with a balanced liquid fertilizer will keep them happy. In a few weeks, prepare to harvest your juicy strawberries. Enjoy the fruits of your labor literally. Growing your own food is truly rewarding. Isn't it? Tune in for more home gardening tips,